Hey there, puzzles and survival fans. In today's video, I'll show you an amazing trick to get unlimited diamonds using this incredible puzzles and survival hack. This method works perfectly on iPad, iPhone, and Android devices. No matter what mobile device you have, you can easily follow this step-by-step tutorial. The best part, there's no need for jailbreaking or a computer. I've tried it myself, and as you can see, the resources were successfully added to my account without any problems. Let's get started. First, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. iPhone users head over to the App Store to check for updates. Android users go to the Google Play Store. If the button says Update, go ahead and install the latest version. Once you're all set, we can move on to the next step. Next, open your preferred web browser and visit this page. Once you're there, you'll notice a wide range of mobile app and game hacks with some truly amazing features. But for now, let's focus on the game we're covering today. Use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find puzzles and survival. Once you see it, click on it to proceed. On this screen, you will see detailed information about this mod. To start the hack, click the orange button. After that, the website will begin injecting the resources into your account. This process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed and device performance. Don't worry, it's completely safe and undetectable, so your account remains secure. In most cases, you'll receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. However, depending on your device and operating system, you might need to verify your account. This step ensures only real users can access the hack. It's quick and straightforward, and there's even a video tutorial available to guide you. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification as soon as possible. Alright, I'll skip ahead my verification process to save time. As you can see, I needed to perform some quick actions using 3 apps. It only took a few minutes, which I think is totally worth it for the results. Once you complete all the steps, the resources will be added to your game account. Simply launch the game and enjoy having unlimited resource. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more awesome content like this. Also, let me know in the comments how this trick worked for you. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.